omedetai gozaimasu. Disconnect right here. So I'm looking at this, I'm looking up here. Try your best now to just follow that all the way through. Into the mountain. So usually we do fish scales and do guts. Watch every step of the way. This is very unique. This is a definition of if you cannot see beauty, you cannot create beauty. By the end of this dish, you're gonna understand the balance of moritsuke and the beauty of Japan. So first grab your snapper, light wash on the tewashi, and then bring it to the cutting board. So everything you know about filleting fish, you can forget about it because we're gonna learn a whole different style now.
これが側線ね。で、この側線のここへここに包丁入れます。入れて、これ入れて、このヒレの付け根まで。
So the goal is behind the head to the back fin here.
ゆっくりこう丸くこう。
So watch first, and then he's gonna show you backhand cut and.
So at this part of the video, I will do a voiceover, explain different cuts, but I'd rather you just watch. As you can see, this is a POV of the JCTP program. You can see the students are in the background, the cameraman's in front. While I encourage you to find videos on YouTube showing fish cutting in this depth, this is more of an example of how hands-on we are at my school. You can ask questions, you can record, you get your own fish. So this is more of an example of the POV experience at JCTP. So I encourage all you chefs who ever want to come to Japan, work with Japanese chefs, work with Japanese ingredients. This is the immersive program. So join me in Kochi, Japan at JCTP.
Right finger, see how the finger is so accurate. The knife is the extension of your hand. See how he slowly gets in there. These nice long strokes. Once he gets the little jigsaw, once he's in, he follows through. So now we're gonna start. Watch, please.
これを切ったら布を骨を切らんように
So that bone, that's what we're gonna get
合わ
to.
せてスパイン
Yeah, to separate it.
骨を合うように
Watch how he does it. Once he gets over that bone, he angles the knife down. Watch how he does it all the way, and then he
でここまで
stops right there. So do not remove the fillet. Keep it intact. Get it in. And then the skin side. Maybe he go back with the scales. And just that back side. Kind of break that bone. Yep. So you can see it.
だから
That's why deba is very important. Because now you have to use muscle. Deba, you don't need muscle. Break that, get that, break it and get that crack.
Wow.
Down.
Wow.
Okay, very good. Disconnected. It's disconnected. So we kind of get underneath it.
So
Save your beer money. Buy more knives. He wants you to try his knife next, okay? All the way. Right? Very good. So we're gonna try the little devil afterwards, okay? Everyone did it? Backhand, and then use a blade like that, okay? So let's get in there. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. Great. See how there's the skin? And so once you get it flat, it's gonna be a little easier for us. Yes. So I'm just gonna help you out here just because cut. Looking right here, looking what we're trying to go to here, right? So keep going. And stop. Okay, disconnect right here. So this part's connected. Right here. Get in there. Nope, you got it. Beautiful. Okay. See, I'm looking at this. I'm looking up here. Okay, I'm in. And then I'm gonna kind of even lower. Even lower. And then try your best now to just follow that all the way through. The goal is to get it from end to end. So now he has that whole. So the third tendon, we poke down, we enter, twist, and we push. Push, almost like the IU, the skewer. Gonna get it going through. Watch how he does it. So he's basically going underneath the skin, above the flesh. Watch how he does it. He didn't break through. And he doesn't go all the way through. So just to the end. And that keeps the tail flaring open. So there's kind of a natural eye socket through the back. That's where we're aiming for, right underneath the eye. It will go smoothly in. See how it pokes the eye? Right underneath. So right through the eye, top of the nose. That's a double chopstick. Break it 10% off. Watch first. Into the mountain. Belly towards you, head to the left, cutting board, plenty of space. This is your workstation. Make space. I'll hold it. You guys take as you need, okay? Because your hands are gonna be wet, so I don't want you destroying all of it. Just grab it, please. Swish, swish, and I'll come right back. Into the pieces. More down. Sauce. Yep. This one, yeah. All right. Okay. Found it. Okay, number 3. There it is. Push head first. Okay. And look at the balance. Okay, so we're gonna go this side first. I apologize, because you want to see that skin piece. So it's gonna flow through.
ここをしぐちゃったら全部低くなるから。
So if you start the wrong way, it's gonna have a chain reaction. So it's okay. He's correcting you. More higher.
少し軽くでしまいました。クリーンシャッター。で、キープ。
Our youngest chef, Nico, 24 years old. The future is looking good out there. Good job, chef. Hi, wasabi, wasabi. Yes, boss.
Hello.
Hi. You cannot create beauty if you cannot see beauty. Am I beautiful or am I beautiful? Woo! All right, overtime, baby. Right here. Eddie, Eddie, arigato. Muchas gracias, papi.